Sanibona bafethu uvana lo. Yabona kule season le. Mina nguThemba Zwane, mina ngumshishi. Bengizohlala phansi. Yabo uma sekuphele le season le, bengizothatha nje umhlala phansi. Yabo, ayikho into engayiwina ngumjida uthi Mamelodi Sundowns. Wayiwina iChampions League, wawina ama-league akhona, waya kodlala kuAFCON uthi Bafana Bafana. Ningasekuzuzile umshida. Yabo, but ke kule season le so far hayi kabi. Bathiwa bayathanda abathandi. Hayi kabi bafethu alikho lona kule season. Ngazi noma mhlambe ke umjida ubulawa kakhulu ama-injury. But ke uzwane bafethu umshishi kumele sibe neqiniso esabalandile. Kule season le umjida akadlali njengalozwane lo esimjwayele. Yabo, yes kuyaye kube khona lo ma glimpses nyana. But each and every time umjida meyidlala ubokunake meqalile. Once wakhishwa iSundowns iyaqala idlale ikore. Last game iSundowns ubeqalile umjida ayikoranga. But ke bathe sebemkhipha sayibona iSundowns esicreate ama chances yakore goal. And kade ngizwa uHugo Broos bembuza ukuthi ke why bengam-include ubani na uThembinkosi Lorch kwisquad seBafana Bafana. Waphendula uHugo Broos wathi with players like Themba Zwane and Mofokeng angafitha kuphi ubani na uThembinkosi Lorch. I was amazed ukuthi angakusho kanjani lokho uHugo Broos. Angakusho kanjani lokho uHugo Broos embona uThemba Zwane naye ukuthi ke akawaqala ama games amaningi kweMamelodi Sundowns. Akawaqala ama games amaningi. Yabo, sibe nje neqiniso bafethu. Kumele sinikeze abanye abadlali ithuba. Yabo, players like Thembinkosi Lorch should be given an opportunity ukuthi bayo represent eSouth Africa because basenaso isikhathi ngakubona and basadlala ibhola. Yabo, base introducewa each and every game uLorch bayadlala. Yabo, athi ke omunye angasho kunye.